Yo, real quick, you ever feel like the world's falling apart, the bills are stacking up, and content creation just ain't paying like it used to? Let me hit you with a stat. Most content creators lose up to 70% of their income during a recession. Sponsorships dry up, ads stop paying, and creators panic. But guess what? The smart ones, the ones who understand how to build moves, they don't just survive. In this video, I'm going to break down how you can become one of those smart creators. Even if you don't have 10,000 followers, let's build something real. Let's build something recession-proof. Let me ask you something. What do you know how to do that other people struggle with? What are you naturally gifted at? What lights you up inside? That's your ticket. See, right now, people are out here looking for results. They don't want fluff. They don't want theory. They want speed. They want solutions. They're hungry for transformation. That's where high-ticket, low-volume offers come in. I'm talking about coaching, consulting, or done-for-you services that start at $500 and up. You don't need a massive audience for this. You don't need 1 million followers. You just need the right offer targeted at the right people. You need to become a laser, not a flashlight. Let me give you a real world example. I once helped a brother who only had 2,000 followers on Instagram. He was struggling to make ends meet, but he knew his stuff when it came to TikTok. So we crafted an offer, TikTok content audits for $497. He put the word out there, started conversations, and landed 3 clients in a week. That's $1,500. No ads, no fancy funnels, no complicated websites, just genuine DM conversations, real human connection, and a commitment to delivering results. Now, here's how you can do the same. Action step number 1, find your sweet spot. What can you do better than most? What problem can you solve faster than anyone else? What unique skills and experiences do you have that others would pay for? Action. Step number 2, name your transformation. Don't sell your time, sell the result. Help people go from stuck to success, from frustrated to fulfilled, from overwhelmed to empowered. Paint a picture of their life after working with you. Action. Step number 3, close in the DMs or on a quick call. No need for a sales page or a webinar. Talk to people. Ask questions, understand their pain points, offer help. And here's the best part about high-ticket clients. They don't disappear in a recession. They just get more intentional with where they spend their money. If your offer helps them save time, make money, or stop stressing, they will pay you. They will invest in themselves. Now, once that high-ticket cash flow is moving, you need stability. You need a foundation. You need to know that money is coming in month after month, no matter what the economy is doing. That's where memberships come in. Imagine this, getting paid every single month by the same people because they love what you do, because you're providing real value, because you're changing their lives. This ain't about hype. It's about help. It's about building a community, a tribe, a group of people who are all on the same journey, supporting each other, growing together. You build a small, intimate community. You give consistent support, valuable resources, expert coaching, maybe weekly group calls, and you charge a monthly fee that makes sense for the value you're delivering. This could be $9 a month, $47 a month, $97 a month, even more depending on the level of access and support you provide. Let me paint the picture for you. Let's say you're passionate about helping people turn their content creation into a real business. You decide to create a membership community where you coach men on how to monetize their platforms, build their brands, and create financial freedom. You charge $47 a month. You get 20 members. That's $940 a month coming in like clockwork. That's rent, groceries, gas on autopilot. Now, how do you make this happen? Action step number 1. Define the transformation. What specific result will your members get from being part of your community? What pain point are you solving for them month after month? Action. Step number 2, keep it simple. Don't overcomplicate things. Weekly Q&A calls, exclusive content, a private community forum. That's all you need to get started. Action step number 3, focus on community, not just content. People stay in membership because they feel seen, heard, and supported. Create a space where people feel safe to connect, share their struggles, and celebrate their win. And listen, people don't stop spending in a recession. They just spend smarter. They invest in things that bring them real value, that solve their problems, that make their lives better. If your membership delivers on this promise, they'll keep paying. They'll be loyal. They'll become your raving fans. Chapter 3, Digital Products. Scale your impact and income with assets that work 24/7. Now for the cherry on top, the icing on the cake, the secret sauce that takes your income to the next level. Digital products. These are small, simple, bite-sized solutions that solve annoying problems and make people's lives easier. I'm talking about templates, ebooks, swipe files, content planners, budgeting tools, you name it. Anything that can be delivered digitally and provides immediate value. The beauty of digital products is that you create them once and then they work for you 24/7, generating passive income while you sleep, while you eat, while you spend time with your loved ones. No more trading time for money. Think of it like this. Digital products are your scaling engine. They're like selling candy bars at the checkout line. $7 here, $17 there. It adds up. You've already got the audience. You've already built the trust. Now you're just giving them easy ways to invest in themselves and get even better results. Let me give you a real world example. I helped a client create a simple $27 side hustle starter kit. It was a downloadable workbook and checklist that helped people identify their skills, package them into services, and find their first clients. She sold 110 of them in 2 weeks. That's $2,970 from a simple digital product that she created once. Now, are you ready to create your own digital product empire? Here's how you do it. Action step number 1. Pick a problem that people in your niche are facing right now. What are they struggling with? What keeps them up at night? What do they desperately need help with? Action. Step number 2. Create a fast win digital product that solves that problem. Don't overthink it. Keep it simple, actionable, and results oriented. Action step number 3. Build a simple funnel to sell your product. You can offer a freebie to get people on your email list, then promote your $17 product, and then upsell them to a $97 mini course or a coaching program. Drive traffic to your funnel using content, Pinterest, YouTube, Reels, whatever works for you. This right here is the long game, the sustainable income stream that will continue to generate revenue for years to come. Now, if you're serious about getting to the next level, about building a business that thrives no matter what's happening in the economy, I want you to grab my free ebook, The Ultimate Guide to AI in Digital Marketing. This isn't just any ebook. This is your blueprint for leveraging the power of artificial intelligence to grow your audience, create high-converting content, and automate your marketing like never before. It breaks down how you can use AI tools to grow faster, smarter, and more profitable, even if you're starting from scratch. Go to the Ultimate Guide to AI in digitalmarketing.com and download it now. And if this video gave you value, if you're ready to unlock your full potential as a creator, drop a comment below, share this video with a friend who needs to hear this message, and subscribe to the channel, because I'm bringing more game-changing strategies, more mindset shifts, and more actionable steps every single week. Let's build something real. Let's build something recession-proof. I'll see you in the next video.